Moving faster is everything to us. It's all about speed to market. Imagine if the market is this wide open pie that nobody's had a slice of yet. First person there gets the whole pie. That's the goal.
Mishimoto is the world leader in aftermarket performance cooling products for the automotive, diesel truck, motocross, and ATV markets. We specialize in cooling products like radiators, coolant hoses, fan shrouds, intercoolers. Upgraded cooling is really important for people who are taking their car or their truck to the track, automotive enthusiasts.
My name is Steve Wiley. I'm a product engineer here at Mishimoto Automotive, and my job is to take a project from concept to reality. Before we had a 3D printer, the way that we could really do it was by using either cardboard or sheet metal and piecing together as adequate of a prototype as we possibly could. A lot of times that fell short because you can't simulate complex geometry with basic sheet metal parts.
This is what you get with a stock intercooler, plastic end tanks and the tube and fin core. From the initial stock one, we made a rough prototype using wood for the core, and then we 3D printed the end tanks. The important thing here is that we're able to test fit this on the car and make sure that our dimensions are exactly correct. We were then able to go straight to production with this type of bar and plate intercooler. We saved at least 5 or 6 weeks of mass production time, and we were able to get this product to market that much faster.
Instead of having to wait for a factory to make one, now I just can simply take a part and send it right to the printer, and while it's working, I can also be working, so it's kind of like having an extra set of hands to do the job for me.
We chose the Z18 because there were different color options that we could choose for printing. The printing time was really fast, the consumables were really inexpensive, and the build plate size was a lot bigger.
Many times the silicone piece is larger than 8 inches. By having the 18-inch build height and the larger build plate, we're then able to just take that and print it as one solid model, which gives us the confidence that we have a full, accurate representation of what the factory is going to produce.
When I first started, it might have taken us 2 years in some cases to develop and bring a product to market. Where we are today, we're a fraction of that. A lot of that's through the tools that we've brought on site to help us with it, such as 3D printing, such as some of the actual physical mechanical tools that we have for manipulating materials. Some of it's just through the test equipment that we have. At Mishimoto, 5 years from now, I can see us having a wall of 3D printers and expanding with the business because it will continue to allow us to get to market faster. you.